Hi guys, good morning guys. I'm starting a new vlog in my school because I slept in school. Guys, we've been sleeping in school for rounding off. It's my last week in this school. I'm traveling next week, so this is a new vlog, guys. Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm emotional because first of all, my teacher told us yesterday that we will be the last set he will be teaching, because he's going back to Kenya, and it made us very emotional. Yeah, so we're trying to take in every single moment that we have left and all. But first of all, this morning I'm headed to Lagos Island because my school is here in VI, so I'm trying to rush over to Lagos Island. I need to get shoes for a wedding. I'm doing groomsman duties again, but I still don't want to wear the male shoes. I mean, I want to wear them, but they are quite expensive, and if I spend that amount of money trying to buy male shoes, those shoes that guys wear, I know I probably will not wear them again, because I don't really wear those kind of shoes. I wear more of my heel shoes and all, so I'm thinking I'll just buy a pair of heel shoes just to be safe, because I'm very sure that I will wear it after the wedding, okay? Especially because these shoes are even expensive, like 45k, 50k. I'm like, what's going on? What's going on for something I'll probably not wear again? And my brother doesn't wear the same size as me, so it's just a waste of my money, guys. So yeah, this morning I want to quickly get to VI. I'm in VI. I want to quickly get to Lagos Island, get the shoes, and I will talk to you guys. I don't think I'll be vlogging there, but I will definitely talk to you guys when I get back. Okay. Stop it, Abel, come leave this idiot where the rotoscope himself. Chinedu, come here. Chinedu, come here. If your eye is finished, you'll come. Guys, how do you feel leaving Delta?
I feel good.
See this fool, swallow us now. He didn't learn how to yawn. How do you feel?
How do I feel leaving Elka? First of all, I feel relieved.
As in, there's no be small relief.
Well relieved.
I feel great.
11 weeks of
I feel refilled. No, sorry. I feel so nevertheless.
Okay, let me continue. It's been 11 weeks of days
I
swear, hard labor.
We feel good.
So living up.
I'm a YouTuber. My hand is
guys, we don't tire for
hunger don't hold.
I mean, we have so many memories here.
I don't find it
So many memories, but we're happy to go. Every
many memories. I don't have any.
are we going with the joy head? Joy head now, where's the head? Put the head together. Come up with ideas.
This is the head boy.
Guys, market where I go today, where I come back, I know see wetin I wan go see. I know see wetin I go buy.
Food where we plan to go church this morning.
No.
Now we can go.
I went to Lagos Island, guys.
Hi my loves, what's up? Guys, good evening. I don't know what time you're watching this part of the vlog actually, but yeah, I literally got in from school 30 minutes ago. It's currently to 11, okay, to 11. And guys, like this past 3 days has been, did I say three days? This past 3 days has been a lot, okay, because I've been sleeping in school, and you guys, there's no bathroom in our school, okay? There's just one makeshift place we take our bath in school, just outside in the pure open, okay? But then there are like 2 GP tanks, so in between the GP tank, that's where we have our bath. It's just really funny, it's frustrating, but we don't really have a choice. And guys, your girl was now on again, like everything was just very, very somehow. I've just not been myself. I've been very uncomfortable. Then I've been trying to get a pair of shoes because I'm going to be traveling in a couple of days. I will be traveling, and it's just really annoying because I need shoes. Okay, wait, you know what? Let me just tell you guys why I wanted to buy a new pair of shoes. Okay, so I'm going for a wedding. Okay, my friend is getting married, and you guys will get to meet a friend of mine. Of course, you guys know this person, but yeah, my friend is getting married, and I'm doing groomsman duties again. Yes, for the second time. I'm doing groomsman duties, and we're wearing a suit. right? So they're making my suit already, and you know, as soon as I get there, I'll just go for my fitting and all of that. But the problem is, I want a shoe that will stand out. Now, I wanted to buy the guy's shoe, like I told you guys at the beginning of the vlog, but then those shoes are really expensive, and it's something that I probably not wear again. So like, it's just a waste of money. I went to Balogun yesterday to try and get shoes. I didn't find any, you know, just something that I liked, something that would suit what I wanted to do with it. And then, you know, I found an Instagram vendor, so they showed me some shoes. I liked them on Instagram, and I was about to pay so that they deliver to me. Then one man now told me, no, better go to the market, you are not far from Lagos Island, okay, go to Lagos Island. Now I went to Lagos Island, got there, saw the shoes in real life, and I'm just like, God knew what he was doing, because if I had paid for those shoes, I would have been very upset. So they had edited the picture of the shoes so much that, you know, nah, it wasn't looking like it at all. So I just couldn't get anything, not even today. So I got home now, and I'm just thinking that I'll wear this my shoe, you know, this shoe that Ezinne gave to me, because we're wearing black, you know, black suits, black inner, and I'm thinking that this would do, like, this will actually stand out, guys. Like, I don't know, I wanted to get a pair of gold shoes, or just something that had a bit of gold or nude, you know, because what I have here is, you know, nude, but I don't want to wear this one. I don't want to wear this one, and I also don't want to wear shoes, black shoes, because again, black on black, it's just going to be a lot. So I wanted to wear something a bit colorful, you know, so I don't know, maybe I might just end up wearing this. I've not worn this shoe at all. You know, this was a birthday gift from my baby girl, Ezinne Williams. So I don't know, I'm thinking of wearing this, because at this point I don't even know if I want to even buy shoe again. Because how is it that I'm going to Eco Market twice in a row and I still couldn't find something? Like, this has never happened. Even when I went to get my green shoes, like, it was easy peasy. I really don't know, guys. But anyways, looking on the brighter side, I came back to a package, but then two packages actually. I have two packages. This one was delivered to me in school, guys. Let me tell you. So one of you guys, you know, my baby, she was actually shopping, you know, just looking through some clothes, and she saw this and felt like this is something better I would like, you know, sent me pictures of this one and another one, and asked me to pick one. I picked this one and she bought it for me. I'm just like, wow. Wow, thank you so much. Like, this means a lot to me. You guys don't understand. It's a two-piece. It's a trouser, but then it has this gold, I don't know, I wanted to say embroidery, but I don't know if that's what it's called. And then, you know, this. So this is perfect for traveling. This is perfect for traveling. So I'm thinking that I might even wear this when I'm traveling, or I should just keep it as my Christmas cloth, because, you know. But yeah, thank you so much. This means a lot to me. Like, she was leaving Nigeria the next day, and she just felt like, you know, Betha has to get this before I leave. So she got it for me, paid a rider to bring it to my school. And I'm just like, if this is not love, then somebody please explain what that is to me, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. I know you don't want me to call your name, but thank you, P, yes. Thank you, I truly appreciate it. Okay, now I also have another package. Now this package, trust me, this package was my birthday gift. I don't know, something has entered my eye, but yeah, this package, you know, the things in this box, not the box, so in this this is my birthday gift. Okay, one of my big sisters, yes, you know, she bought this for me all the way from Canada. Okay, she got this for me, and you know, her husband brought it back, but then we've not just had the time to meet up and collect it. And then the husband traveled back and came back, traveled again, you know. So I guess she bought more stuff and just packed everything here for me. So let's just do an unboxing, guys. In the month of November, baby girl still dey collect birthday gift. Like, e choke. Wait, guys. Wait. Guys, look. I can You know what? Let me not jinx this. Let's open this up first, okay? Before I say anything. Like, okay, egg me. Guys. Aha! Wow. I just talked about buying shoes. Guys. I saw platform shoes like this actually in the market. Better, don't cry. Okay? Today's not for crying. Wow. 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 This is just, you say you need new shoes, right? Yeah, take shoes. Like, this is exactly what this means, guys. In nude, guys, nude. I'm not going to wear this one to wedding before I, when they say dance groomsman dance, I knock ground. But guys, this is God just telling me, don't worry, don't buy shoe. You have shoe to wear, and if you want a new shoe, see shoe. See, oh gosh. Oh, my duvet. I don't know if you guys remember my birthday wish list. I had a duvet in there, and she told me that she was going to get me one, and she kept to her words. Guys, she kept to her word, guys. Oh, thank you, sis. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Wait, so we're not even done with the footwears. Like, we're not done. We're not done with the footwear. Wow. Oh, this is so cute, guys. Look. This is so cute. I really love this. She bought me what? High absorption anti-inflammatory to help relieve joint pain. Guys, she knows how much this my school has stressed me, and she's like, you need to take pain relief, like you need it, okay, for your joints, you need it. I'm just like, okay. I didn't even know that she actually bought this and put it in there. This is what it looks like, guys. Wow. Bath and Body Works. Da, 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 da. See, they are behaving like an idiot. But yeah, guys, she got me this body mist. Bath and Body Works, guys. This is the Golden Hour Coast. I don't cook bath night bath. Ah! And the last but not least, guys, a perfume. Guys, this is Dior. Christian Dior. Okay, it's not Christian Dior, but like Dior, guys. Dior, guys. Like, wow. She literally picked out the things I called out in. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute, guys. Look. Oh. I don't want to shout too much because it's late in the night, but this is really cute. This is really, really cute. Like, you guys know how much I love perfumes, So yes, I'm always going to behave like this once it's perfumes. Oh, this cover is so cute. It's so cute. Like, okay, I'm definitely spraying this. This night I'm going to be spending like $1 million. Guys, this is, oh wow. Wow. This smells really nice. Oh, it's Christian Dior. Christian Dior. I can see. Better, it's so dramatic. It's actually Christian Dior. Oh, so it's called Jador. Is this Jador? If it was B, I would have said Badore. It was J, so Jador. I'll just joke it, but yeah, pronounce it yourself, okay? But then the cocoa of the matter is that this is Christian Dior. Wow, thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. We did do it. Oh, thank you so much, sis. Thank you so much. Like, I'm so excited. Like, you cannot even understand it, but this is so cute. This, wow. Oh, thank you so much. See, like, this, everything, like, it means a lot to me. It means a whole lot to me, guys. You don't understand, but yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, Betha, you need to stop talking now. I'm going to talk to you guys once I'm ready to travel, okay? Because I don't really see the need to bore you with unnecessary content. So yeah, I will talk to you guys when I'm ready to pack. Okay.